I'm going to show you how to sew the coffee house bag. I've made a ton of these. These are, this is the one I use all the time, and I just made this one this week. Coffee House has an interchangeable flap, so you can take off this flap and make many other different kinds, and it's a really fun way to make the bag completely unique in yours and coincide with any outfit you've got. I can take this one off too. You can opt not to do that and just do a simple flap. The bag has zipper pockets, front, outside, front, back, and inside, as well as vinyl see-through pockets. So let's go sew.